Okay folks, I'm back again. Video revised. This is my video on how to patch a speaker. I got a whole bunch of speakers from the dumpster, and they all have little rips in them. It was a hell of a dumpster score, let me tell you. A movie theater went out of business. I recommend everybody follow movie theaters that go out of business, because they threw away thousands of dollars worth I couldn't get to. So anyway, this is what you need. You need paintable caulk. I use the tub and tile trim type caulk. It actually dries in 2 hours. Use this, get this landscaping cloth here. It's what you put down like before you put wood chips and stuff down, just whatever you need, something for support. I like this instead of gauze or anything else. I've used it to waterproof my motorhome roof. Anyway, get that. This is a little cheap set of picks. I got these from Harbor Freight for a couple bucks, or free with their coupon. Scissors, good paint job or paintbrush. I want something soft to match the contour, so I already put down a base coat before I put this cloth down, and then lightly go over it. Got a little bit of water. Got my caulk right here. So, and I try to make quick videos because when you want something, you want it now. So just rewind it if you need to. Sorry, can't see there. Okay. So this is what you need to do. You can dip it in some water if you want it to go a little further. You really don't want to put this stuff on very thick. And also, before I forget to mention it, I will be painting this whole thing. And when you decide you or think you want to paint a speaker, if you have a foam ring all the way around, this is not foam. This is actually some kind of woven cardboard type stuff. It's pretty strong, actually. I don't know if it's fiberglass reinforced or what. But anyway, there's other videos on using nail polish and some other stuff, which I'm thankful for. Spray adhesive. You don't want to use that stuff. It has harsh chemicals in it that will actually deteriorate your foam, and the foam will just rot away right before your eyes. It's kind of like putting styrofoam in gas. It just doesn't work. You will ruin your speakers if you do it. So just do this. Kind of put on a light coat, as light as you want, just to make this thing stick, because you don't want it to mess up your audio as little as possible anyway. I am repairing these and selling them on the cheap because I got them for free and I need the money. This movie theater going out of business, holy crap. I'm telling you, popcorn machines, $1,000 speakers, I mean thousands of dollars. Look at this stack I got. I just got a shit ton of speakers. I got this horn. That horn alone's like $1,000. So I got the hell of a score on this stuff, let me tell you, and there's a whole bunch more that you can't see. But yes, and they were all free. Thank you, people. Anyway, please like if this helps you in any way, and feel free to ask questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. So, thanks guys. Oh yeah, and I'm going with flat black spray paint on these, just because I like the flat black. The gloss is nice too, but I think I'm going to do flat black. I actually had an indentation there where I had to pull it out. So, and then I've got a little rip here on the bottom of this thing. You see where it pushes in? So I will probably just maybe run a little bead of silicone around that. I think that'll stop that. So, alright, thanks guys. Peace.